What's up, YouTube? This is Padrino Key back at you again. We're gonna be coming with the second vlog. Today, we're gonna be on our way to go get a dirt bike from Conway. But I'm gonna keep you posted up on it. Alright, catch you later. Man, bruh, we just got to the place. Look at all these bikes. Hold on. Oh, it is? Alright. Man, look at all these bikes, bruh. Like bikes galore out this bitch. Got tons of bikes. Let's see, bruh. And still bikes for miles.
Yo, Dirt. Yeah. Hey, you got a flat hand screwdriver there? Flat hand. Yeah. Boy. Boy.
Well, that's steep.
This bike is horrible.
That's what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm back from my trip all the way to Conway to get the dirt bike. It turns out he had got a dirt bike for cheaper than it was. But you know, also like I said in the first video, it ain't even hard. All you gotta do is just go out there and find it. Dude said 500. He talked them all the way down to like 250. You know, there's some things wrong, but with the labor, that's still gonna come up under than what he was gonna pay for it. So the labor, like what, 200 to get it completely fixed into the way he want. But yeah, you know. What should I do? Do the slides. Slides. Slides, nigga, slides. Slides. Do you hear me? Slides. Slides. Slides, nigga. Just do it. Wondering. Man, come on. Oh, bro, I know you're gonna do it. Slides, nigga. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna do it.
That's right, nigga, that's right.
Next video I make, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do custom Supreme slides. Like the one that's right here. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make that. And you know, I'm also show y'all, you know, how to flip 15 and an 80 or however you want. It just, you know, it all depends on how much time that you put into it, you know. Like if you don't put no time into it, then you know, it ain't gonna come out looking right. Like, took me half a day to make these right here. Half a day. And you know, if you just rush through it, it ain't even gonna look right. That's why I highly suggest whenever I do this video, I'm gonna need y'all to, you know, be A1. And I also did these.
Damn.
These have been through hell already. Well, you know, I'm gonna show y'all on these. These slides, these shits are worn out. I done had these for 3 years now. See, the tread is gone. Not the tread, but you know the bottom is gone. But basically, you know, I'm gonna turn this part red,
Hell
and you
nah,
know
nigga,
I'm gonna
boy.
get the
Hell no, you
little.
can't do that. Boy,
You know,
look at
I'm
that
gonna get
shit. Boy,
the.
that shit look
You know,
awful.
I'm gonna break out the Supreme stencil. After I hit it with the white, then the red. And then, you know, I'm basically showing y'all how to flawlessly, and I mean flawlessly, get a Supreme custom slide. But that's gonna be in the next video. Y'all stay tuned, alright? Alright. But yeah. Is there anything else I wanna say? If I have time for it, I'm also make a
Boy, them
wave
tiny ass
video.
ripples in your head, boy. You ain't got
Cause you
shit.
know,
Boy, your ass got tiny
I'm
ass
working
sticks in
on
your
it.
head,
I
nigga.
ain't the best at it, but you know, I'm working on it. So I guess I should say it's gonna be a little wave journey or whatever, you know, to you know, just you know, turn these BBs into something, you know, that you like. But yeah, you know, it's your boy Padrino Key signing out. Oh yeah, also still I'm gonna need y'all to look me up on Instagram and Facebook at Padrino Key on Instagram and YFN Hassan on Facebook. But you know, I'm gonna show y'all the Instagram right here and then the Facebook right here.
Boy, you ain't like
But
you
yeah,
said
you
windshield
know,
wipers for a living, nigga.
that's about all for this video. But until then, I'm Padrino Key.
Thanks, appreciate it. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. Goodbye.